Hello, I'm Genia. If you're first time here, welcome. If you have been here before, welcome back. First off, thank you for all your support and for attending for my first premiere as a monetized channel. There are so many family members and friends that I'd like to thank, but I couldn't mention them all in just a minute, so I'd just like to mention the first person that I met who opened my window to her friends and to her friends of friends is Arnia Bol-anon. I'm so thankful for all her support. Also to my videographer and editor, my son Daryl. He does most of the filming and all of this beautiful editing. And to my daughter Diane, who helps most of the cutting veggies, squeezing lemons, and many more. And to the man who helped me set up with my live cooking shows and silent show, my fellow YouTuber, Arvin's project, music, animation, and games. And to all of you, thank you for all your support. I'm so grateful that I am now monetized, so I want to celebrate. In this light, I cooked crispy pata with jasmine rice, pancit, and atchara. Well, I did not really use pata because I could not find one, so I used picnic roast instead. This is a fiesta to me. Take a look. The spices go in lemongrass stalk, ginger, garlic, bay leaves, star anise, and the peppercorn, and a lot of salt. The pork goes in to the pan. Okay, it will be there for an hour, 30 minutes on each side. After 30 minutes, turn the meat over. Oh, it smells something good. It's the star anise and all the spices together. Oh wow. Oh, the skin is a little bit bruised, but that's fine. It will still be crispy when it becomes roasted. Okay, so this is the other side. Another 30 minutes for this. And I will put this in the oven after. Alright. Now I'm going to transfer this meat into a foil pan. Now the meat is ready to go to the oven. Put in the oven for 3 hours. While waiting for the meat to roast, I'm going to make pickled papaya. For the full recipe of the green pickled papaya, please watch my other video, link in the description below. I want to add a vegetarian pancit to my crispy pata, so I'm cooking a vegetarian pancit. This is fresh Mickey. The noodles or the pancit is ready. Ladies and gentlemen, crispy pata, rice, pancit, pickled papaya or atchara. We have grapes and mango. Dig in! Let's see if this is really crispy. Ooh, can you hear it? Oh, crispy indeed. Crispy pata. Although it's not pata, but I'm using, okay, the pork butt. Okay, wow. Wow, crispy. Wow, it is crispy. Ladies and gentlemen, my crispy pata.